Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Joanne Puyard. I am 28 years old. I am married. I have one son, 1 year and 7 months. I am college level, 3 years undergraduate. And I have experience as a house helper here in the Philippines for 2 years. I do cooking, but I don't know how to cook Chinese food, but I'm willing to learn. Also, I do washing clothes, ironing, gardening, take care of dogs, and take care of children. Ma'am and sir, if you will hire me, I will do my responsibilities with love and dedication. And I hope that I will be part of your family and I will treat your family as my own family. I am a happy person. I am motivated, honest, hardworking. Thank you so much. Good day.